Welcome back to this 26-part dictionary-driven destruction derby, where we smash apart all things wordy. Feeling nerdy? Then let's get into it. Source material: An A to Z of ELT by Scott Thornbury and the Cambridge English Dictionary. For W, we have the basics of the basics, word. Or do we? Define it, sister.
Word. Noun. A single unit of language that has meaning and can be spoken or written. Your essay should be no more than 2,000 words long. Some words are more difficult to spell than others. Word for. What's the word for bikini in French? Find the right word. It's sometimes difficult to find exactly the right word to express what you want to say.
A word is defined as the smallest language item that can occur on its own. This definition is problematic, though, as a glance at any text confirms. For example, Wallpaper lifts the tarpaulin to take a look at 3 of the best new structures currently taking shape on the world's skylines, as well as taking a whistle-stop tour of some of tomorrow's architectural gems. While there may be no argument about tarpaulin being a word, is to in to take a word? Can it stand on its own, or is it inextricably part of the infinitive form? Can a in take a look stand on its own? For that matter, can whistle-stop stand on its own, or is it part of the larger unit whistle-stop tour, from which it is never normally detached? And are to take a look and taking shape 2 words, or 2 grammatical forms of the single word take? Because of these problems, the concept of word has been refined to distinguish between word forms, lexical items or lexemes, homonyms, see my vid, and polysemes. And don't forget their connotations and collocations. Phew! I told you it wasn't basic. Perhaps you'd like to buy Thornbury's masterful book to learn more. Go on, I know you'd love to. Have you learned any new words recently? Got any faves? Pop them into the comment section, won't you? Just 3 more to go, and this series hits its final frontier. I better get my head in that dictionary. In the meantime, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this playlist with other wordsmiths everywhere. I want to spread the word. This is Moscanovski, signing off.